Blumira's platform detects early signs of an attack and helps you respond faster to reduce its impact to your organization, preventing a data breach. With our SIEM plus XDR platform and 24/7 security operations team combined, you get 24/7 coverage. There's no need to hire full-time analysts to manage your security. Our SIEM collects, analyzes, and detects threats in your environment, sending you a finding or alert in real time within minutes of initial detection. Every minute counts in a security incident. First, we'll walk through what a finding looks like in the Blumira application. Here's a finding called Microsoft 365 Suspicious Inbox Rule Creation. The detection analysis describes what the security finding means, and it's also prioritized by criticality. This is an example where an attacker compromised a user's inbox and created an inbox rule to hide their payment-related communications. Why is this important for security? This method is used by attackers to commit wire fraud and steal money from a company. Attackers will try to compromise vendor relationships and reroute funds to their own accounts. By gaining access to your employee's mailbox, they can redirect emails to hide evidence of their fraudulent emails sent internally and externally. Blumira detects this activity, alerting you to it within minutes so that you can respond faster to prevent theft. So we're going to go ahead and click to assign ourselves as the responder. You see the automatically populated workflow on the right is a playbook written by our incident detection engineers to walk you through next steps for response. These come with every finding to help IT people understand how to proceed. In this example, we'll ask you to review the rule name and determine if it's suspicious. We'll click No and proceed. Next, we'll ask you to review user activity. Go into the Microsoft 365 admin portal to look for logins from unusual locations or at unusual times. So we'll click Yes here. Here, we provide you with guidance on how to respond to a compromised email account, including resetting a password, revoking sign-ins, and checking all user mailboxes for possible phishing emails. We'll click We will initiate incident response and close the finding as valid. Now, it's possible you might need more help or have questions about findings or the workflows. You can easily reach out to us here by clicking Add Note. This is where you can directly send a message to our 24/7 SecOps team that is on standby to help you with any critical priority issues. We'll click Cancel for now. And if we keep scrolling and click on Details, here you can see all information associated with the finding, including matched evidence or all related data. This is very helpful for further investigation and incident response and saves your team time searching for needles in a haystack. It's fast and easy to gain greater visibility and automated response by installing a lightweight Blumira agent on your Windows, Mac, and Linux endpoints. It runs smoothly alongside any existing EDR tools to provide early detection of endpoint threats and automated response, including host isolation that cuts off endpoint access to your network until you have time to investigate. This gives you around-the-clock monitoring and contains any endpoint threats to stop the spread of malware or ransomware and prevent data breaches. We'll walk through how to install Blumira Agent on an endpoint. First, select an installation key. Then click to create a new key. Enter in the details, description, and your device limit. That's it. Blumira Agent is now installed on your endpoint and will start sending logs to Blumira's platform for analysis, detection, and response. Let's look at manual isolation, how you can manually cut off an endpoint's network access and contain it. We'll click on the first device in the list, and then on device details. We'll select Isolated under Host Isolation, then click Save Changes. That's it. The device is now manually isolated. If there's malware or it is compromised, the threat is now contained from the rest of your network until you have time to further investigate. Finally, let's set up auto-isolation, so an endpoint will be contained automatically by Blumira's platform when an associated threat is identified. Click Settings in the AHI bar at the top navigation. Check P1 Threat. This means that Blumira will automatically shut down any endpoint with an associated Priority 1 threat detected, no human intervention required. Click Save Changes, then click Yes, I'm sure to choose to enable AHI. Note that this only applies to devices with Blumira Agent installed, and it shows you how many of your current rules support AHI. That's it. Automated host isolation is enabled, giving you around-the-clock protection without needing to hire an entire SOC team to manually watch your logs and respond. Ready to try it for yourself? Sign up for your free SIEM today. Thanks for watching.